ERD performs a number of repairs for Tokyo Electron's coder system, which is a standard tool used for coding operations in the semiconductor industry. ERD received this main controller as a rush after it had died in its native system. The system this unit is out of is very complex and has multiple storage devices and I/O controllers in order for it to run as intended. This unit's operating system was defective, requiring ERD to do a reconstruction of the data after repairing a defunct hard drive controller. ERD was then able to boot the entire system as seen in the video. This job had a short turnaround time, and ERD now has several tools for repairing this system quicker in the future. ERD is constantly adding new parts and tools as we see more and more units come in, not only just from the semiconductor industry, but in other industries as well.